Imagine a robot that can think, detect, and decide, all by itself. Meet my mBot 2, a smart robot that combines line following, color detection, and obstacle avoidance in one powerful project. Using advanced sensors and intelligent coding, it smoothly follows the line just like a self-driving car. When it detects a red color, it pauses carefully, but when it spots a green light, it rotates 180 degrees and moves in the opposite direction, showing how it can make decisions on its own. If any obstacle appears on the path, it quickly senses and avoids it, continuing its journey with precision. This project is a perfect example of how we can bring together logic, sensors, and AI to make robots more intelligent and responsive. Watch till the end to get the full code, and don't forget to subscribe to Ray and Electronics for more exciting STEM and robotics innovations.